Man accused of killing pregnant girlfriend rescued by cops from angry mob.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Father's Day turned unexpectedly bloody on Sunday when a man allegedly killed his pregnant girlfriend during a dispute in the community of Rhoden in Clarendon. The dead woman has been identified as Tashika. Angry residents threatened to mete out their form of mob justice to the alleged attacker, who was saved by cops who were quick on the scene and had to fire shots to disperse the crowd.
They're not shooting nobody, man. They're killing him.
The information arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the Corporate Communications Unit, has confirmed the incident.
Yo, they feel like I'm...
The police are still conducting investigations and are interviewing the suspect, a representative said. Reports are that the female, known as Tash by her friends, was allegedly killed by her spouse who slashed her throat. Reports are that she was pregnant and was also the mother of a young child.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!